Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure the watch has the latest watch OS and that motion and fitness plus fitness tracking are enabled on your iPhone. Once done, verify wrist detection is on and grant activity and health permissions so the watch can write data. Next, clean the back sensors and put the watch on snugly. Too loose or dirty sensors stop readings. Finally, force restart the watch. That quickly clears transient sensor glitches and lets tracking resume. Now calibrate and validate the motion sensors. Take a 20-minute outdoor walk with your iPhone nearby so GPS and accelerometer data can sync. This trains step and pace accuracy. If activity remains wrong, open the watch app and reset fitness calibration data. This clears bad baselines. Make sure Bluetooth and location are active, and that both devices share the same time zone and region settings, because mismatched time or location can finish by unpairing and repairing the watch. This recreates the device database and often fixes persistent tracking bugs. If problems persist, back up and do a full restore from that backup, then test with a focused 10-minute walk to confirm steps and calories. If tracking still fails after restore and calibration, it's likely a hardware issue. Contact Apple support or book a diagnostic. That one key tip: don't skip testing after each change. It tells you which step actually fixed it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.